Hey there, do you struggle to keep your posts looking on brand? Plus, are you just looking for a variety for your feed? Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly change all of the templates that Canva offers and get them on brand for you. Before we get started with this, I am recommending that you have your Canva brand kit set up. That is a Canva Pro feature. I will link a video showing you how to set up your brand kit if you don't already have that set up. All right, then we're going to find Instagram post size. I'm going to go to social media, click on here, Instagram post, and now I have this set up. Next, I want to find some templates that I like the start of. So I'm going to here to design. You can type in some words that help you find what you're looking for. I just have a couple here. I'm going to click on that one and I'm going to add a page. I'm going to go back to design and I'm going to scroll through some, just add a few templates that you like here. All right, now that we have these, we're going to go back, stay in design, and we're going to go to styles. And here is my brand kit. It's titled DR. These are my fonts. Now I can click on that and you can just go through there. You can see that it's changing to my fonts. And then I'll go over right here to Dina and it's going to change the colors. Just give us a good place to start. And then here I'm going to click on this one and then do the fonts. And here, I kind of like this. So I'm going to leave the fonts how they are. And then I can just manually change those. All right, so let's go here now, swapping out the photos. If you have your any sort of photos, I like to keep mine in projects. I created a stock photo folder. So I'm going to go to that folder and I'm going to drop in some photos. Something like that. Now, if I wanted to change the fonts, just going through here, I click on where I want to change, go to pop ins, and I'm going to scroll down here to my fonts, and then I can change them to whichever fonts I want. I can pop up the size. I can change any wording here. I'm going to say link in profile. I'm going to stretch that a little bit. And then if I want to swap out where it says really great site all along here, I am going up to File, go to Find and Replace. And then I'm just going to type in really great site, just like they have it there. And then I'm going to replace it with dinarudder.com and then just hit replace all. And then if you scroll through here, you can see that everything has been replaced with that. Then I would just take a little more time getting these ready and on brand for me. I would swap out the photos, swipe out the wording. All right, once you get these how you want them, you can make sure you label it accordingly. All right, so you can keep adding to the same file once you get it on brand for you. Then you can just duplicate one of these, change the content, change the photo, add that to your social media calendar. That way you don't have to keep going back, creating a new document every time you do something. I like to keep them all in here. And then when you're ready to download, just go to share, go to download, and then just choose the page that you want to download now. So I'm just going to download one and hit done. If you love these templates that you created, you can also go to create a brand template, go to share, go to see all, and then brand template. That is creating that brand template for you. So you can use this a lot easier in the future as well. You publish and close. All right, thanks so much. We'll see you next time.